Alright, this is a cool little work table I built, and I thought I'd show you guys everything about it. Alright, so let's go. So first thing, I built the top using some 3/4 inch just OSB that I had lying around, and I wanted to make sure that it lined up perfectly height-wise with my other tool bench, so I could have a nice, smooth, flat, large work area if I needed it. Next, I built mine completely open at the bottom, so that I could fit the generator underneath. Uh, you could probably put a couple of shelves underneath for tool storage, but that's not how it was going to work for me. So let's pull the generator out. Now that that's out of the way, let's pull the workbench out so that we can see the main attraction of this tool bench. So already it's cool because it's at a nice, good work height. It's about waist high or so. So it's a really good work height for just working. But we can roll it out wherever we need it to go. If I need it, although on the other side of the garage, I just roll it out, and then I can fill it up with tools or with parts that I'm working on. But if I need more space, I can turn it around, pull off this little latch here, lift it up, release the legs, kick them straight, and now I've just doubled my workspace. Now I have twice the amount of space to work or lay tools on than I had before. And it's actually really stable. I put 2x4 lining all around the edge, so this part, this part is really, really stable, and I could probably sit on it if I wanted to. So to show you guys how it comes together underneath, this is all built out of just scrap wood, and on the inside, this is how it goes together on the inside. And it's really, really solid. It's not coming apart. Under here are the hinges. I just used door hinges. So I just used a few door hinges that I took off after I replaced the ones inside. I just used 4 of them real close together, and it is a really solid connection. As you can see up on top, really nice and smooth, so there's not going to be any problems with that. Alright, moving on to the legs. I just kind of cobbled these together, but they swing down. This swings down, and this one takes most of the weight right on here, and it combines, these two combine together. So these are really, really solid, strong legs. So when the legs are folded up, they mesh together. Just fold them up underneath, and this one comes up and over and locks in there. And on this side, this one sits on this little ledge here and locks in there too, so that doesn't fall out until you're ready to put them down. And when I'm not using the extension, I just take this rubber band and hook it around that little loop back there so it doesn't come flying out when I don't want it to.